Hello everyone, this is Linda from the Demi Cup, and I am super excited to open up this box of Marlies Dekkers. It's their new fashion collection, the Dame De Paris, and you Marlies Dekkers fans know this style very well. It's ivory, and it has a great little snake charm off the right in the center. So let's see what we have. Put down my bowl there. Get this out. And let me pick out one of these bras to show you. It's kind of like a little bit of a yellowish ivory, super pretty, a little textured print. This is the balcony. So pretty. It's a yellow, like a yellow ivory. And then I'm going to take off this paper and we're going to unveil, if I can get this off quickly, we're going to unveil, oops, I'm not going to do that, the snake charm. If I can get it off. There we go. There is your snake charm. So pretty. Dame De Paris, Marlies Dekkers, all the way from the Netherlands.